Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select the text edit variant, select the size, select the font, duplicate the letter, change the color, select another color to back the letter. Then select the 3D shape, the path 10, by rotation, extrusion, light angle, adjust the shadow, change the background color, adjust the color, duplicate the letter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.